Hey guys, welcome back. This is Uncle Joe. Anyways guys, I'm here in my backyard and the time right now is about 6 something in the evening. And yeah, it is dark as, black. Anyways guys, what happened? Here in Eva Beach, it's so cloudy, but come check them out. Let's go. See guys, my marungai tree kind of just knocked down. Oh boy, good thing that thing was knocked down in my yard. It was so tall, but look how dark the sky is, man. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Dark. And it's almost 7 o'clock, guys. Almost 7 o'clock, and it's gonna rain tonight as I can feel it. Oh, what's that? Oh, see the rain, guys? Look at the rain. Oh, it's coming already, the rain. Damn, who wants marungai? Yee, fucking knocked down. It was up high as my roof. Yeah. Oh, I'm getting wet, guys. Getting wet. Gotta go in. Damn, rain. We are gonna drown. Joke. Woo. At least my grass getting watered. Video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and yeah. Bye.